What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Another beautiful Monday. But guys, I wanted to shoot this video. Just came back from the doctor with my daughter here. She has an ear infection, and it's been pretty much causing her some problems there. So guys, we've actually just came back. Now we're waiting on her prescription to be filled. So then that way, Dad can start giving her a little TLC and getting her all taken care of. But I wanted to take some time out, guys, to shoot a video today. A lot of people have been asking me, how can they make some very good income online, guys? And I wanted to give you two ways here that you can actually generate actually over $500 a day. And guys, these are some things that I usually would jump in, or things that are newbie friendly, something that a beginning person could definitely do. One thing that I hate where there's so many people that say, hey, you can jump on online, you don't have to talk to anybody, you don't have to do anything. Guys, there is things that you have to do, okay? There's things that you have to learn. So what I wanted to do is put you in a position where you can learn these things, and the same time is make money with it. Now, guys, I'm involved in online marketing. I'm in direct sales. No, I do not do any product sales, as far as lotions, potions, any oils, anything like that. I don't do. I'm into digital products and things that are going to help the common marketer get to the next level, or the common business person get to the next level. Your regular business person get to the next level. Okay. Now, what I'm involved in, I have two programs here. Both of these are digital products, and they're educational products. One is a mastermind where you're going to earn unlimited $250 commissions. We even have a system that shows you how to earn $250 within 72 hours, and that's within our back office. Now, with this here, you're going to have access to a mastermind where we do a mastermind training every Monday of marketing skills, of things that are working for people to get more sales into their business. Now, the beautiful thing is that with this program, each training that we produce, there's no additional upsells with that. So with that being said, is that you're going to get all this new training that's going to come in every Monday. And then on every Wednesday, we're going to close and sit. We're going to do all this closing and sell, and do all the closing, selling, and telling of your prospects. So we have a prospect Zoom meeting every Wednesday night as well. So you get unlimited access to all these trainings that are going to show you the ins and outs of marketing, and you're going to pretty much be able to get paid unlimited $250 commission. Now, this is more of a one and done type of thing here, okay? So there's no pass ups, there's no reoccurring fees that you're going to have, anything like that. Guys, it's $250 and you're in. Now, with this particular program, again, once you're in there's nothing that you have to do. So we literally have everything done for you, where you don't need additional bonuses. Actually, one of the face of the business, she actually said no additional bonuses. She wants this as an even playing field. So for anyone that's thinking about sponsor shopping, that's something you don't have to do, because regardless of who you join, you're going to get the same exact thing from XYZ person, okay? Uh, so this is one program, guys, that I've actually earned some good income from. This is one of the capture pages that we have. So we have a done for you system. So if you don't have a marketing system in place, we literally have this done for you, where the system will do the follow-ups for you. Now, we do recommend that you use a autoresponder, where you can control the messages that go out. You can send broadcast messages, things like that. So if you guys definitely have outside marketing systems, or if you're involved in the conversion pros with me, definitely reach out to me here, because there's going to be some things I'm going to be working on with that for the conversion pros as well. So guys, but there is everything literally done for you, okay? So literally done for you. If you don't have a marketing system, it's done for you, okay? Now, they do use Aweber. So Aweber is a suggested message, the actual autoresponder that's being used. So a lot of people that don't want to use Aweber or anything, you can just send them directly to your system. Now, again, you're going to have to manually follow up with your leads, things like that. So definitely, you do utilize that at your own discretion, if you truly decide to do that with that particular system here. Now, what I wanted to do here, guys, also here with this system here, there's an actual higher ticket program in the back end of it as well, which is called Six Figure Empire, where you earn 20% commissions off each one of those sales as well. but you do have to be positioned, and that you can go all the way to a $5,000 commission with that program. So that's just wanted to let you guys know that there is a higher ticket program on the back end. You don't have to do it. Now, you're more than welcome to only deal with the Fearless Mama program and just utilize that as a program. So it's totally up to you. Okay, so this is one system here. Now, I want to do is here, I want to go over now, just for respect of everyone that's paid to be a part of this business or anything like that. I don't want to go too far, too deep in the background of it on that, but you're going to have access to a plethora of training that's going to show you how to literally do your thing online. Now, the Fearless Mama mainly focuses on email marketing, Facebook ads, Craigslist posts, and video marketing. So YouTube, YouTube is a good thing, but usually that's mainly what it's focused on. It's about building your list, on doing solo ads and following up with those, and pretty much generating traffic through Craigslist and, like I said, video marketing. So those are some of the top marketing methods that you can definitely utilize in this particular business. Now, what I want to do as well is kind of go over to the Facebook group here. So let me go and get ready, go pull up the Facebook group. All right, so pretty much here I got the Facebook group pulled up here, and I wanted to share with you guys here exactly the Fearless Mama group here, just to kind of show you the support system that you will have. Everyone in this team here, so many people welcome into the group here. Now, this is not a support group or anything like that, guys. This is just pretty much here. I mean, what we mean by support is that it's not where you come and say, hey, I can't log in my system. It's not one of those groups. This group is here where we're going to show you exactly, if you have some simple questions regarding the business, tips, tricks, any issues as far as, solo ads that you may be having, things like that. So it's not a support ticket. That would be in the back. That would be in the back of your actual system. Okay. So here's just more and more information where I'm just kind of scrolling down here, and I wanted to share with you guys here, people being welcome into the group literally all the time, every day, all day. More and more people are joining the team here. So just wanted to share with you guys here that this is a real system here. So if you guys seen a couple of my videos, I actually utilize SMS phone leads as well for a lot of my marketing, and I showed you guys that's a simple strategy as well. So whenever you see someone welcoming somebody, that's a $250 sale. Okay, that's a $250 sale. Literally, we give you all the ad copies and swipes to use, guys. We're here to help you out. Okay, so this is a beautiful business, man. The culture is great. So again, guys, if you're looking to make unlimited $250 commissions, you definitely want to check out the Fearless Mama. Definitely check out a lot of my previous proof videos as well for me making those commissions also. Now, another program that I wanted to share with you guys today was Easy One Up. Okay, Easy One Up is another program where you're able to earn multiple commissions at different levels. Okay, so there's a $25 level, and I'm gonna pull up the Facebook group here as well, so you guys can see the culture there as well. But let's get into the actual system here. Okay, now with Easy One Up, there's different levels here that you can come in as. Okay, now each level is a vault of training that you're gonna get for your to teach you marketing. Okay, so at the $25 level, and what you're getting, this and the Fearless Mama, you're getting reseller rights. Now with this program, it is a one-up. So on your second sale, you do pass that up depending on the level that you're on there. Okay, now if you can see here, these are not in the network marketing basic, affiliate Kickstarter video series. So this is going to be for your kickstart level. Okay, so if you want to come in, you absolutely want to get started, you only have $25, then definitely you want to take a look at this. Now you're going to pay $25, and then you're going to pay $5 for your admin fee, and you're going to pretty much have reseller rights. So anytime someone comes in on the system and decides that they want to join, then you're able to make a $25 commission over and over and over and over again. Okay, now then there's the $100 level. The $100 level it's a little more training, but you're also going to get the $25 level as well. So now you're able to make $125 when it comes to commissions, because you positioned yourself there as well. So as you can see here, we focus on a little bit of solo ads, live events, embedded Google Hangouts. Now, one thing about Google Hangouts, guys, if you've been on the block, there will be Google Hangouts are ending that, and they're going to be starting something different. So that should be, a lot of information will be replaced as far as that goes as well. So let me go up to the $250 level. So the $250 level here, guys, you're gonna be able to earn $250 commissions, $100 commissions, and $25 commissions. Okay, so this is going to pretty much give you all of the vault of training that we've already went over, plus a good series of affiliate marketing, survival, irresistible offers. We're going to show you how to really get that mindset going and really knock this marketing game out of the park here. Okay, then there's the $500 level. So you're qualified at 500, 250, 100, and $25 level. No, you don't have to pay for each one. So if you come in at 500, you're automatically comped in at that particular level. Okay, so the higher tickets here, it's going to be $1,000. So this is going to be more your social media marketing, more your Facebook ads, Reddit marketing, social media domination, Snapchat. So WhatsApp marketing. So a lot of this here is a lot of social media training for. So if you're not a young dog, then you definitely want to check this out here. Now, a lot of young people here, they kind of know this, you know, that learned it. So it's up to you to be positioned. But I'm going to tell you to be positioned if you can. And then there's the $2,000 level. Okay, so this is going to teach you drop shipping. This is going to show you CPA marketing. Now, you're qualified at all of these levels, guys. So 2,000, 1,000, 500 on down. You're qualified. So the better the higher level that you can come in at is what I recommend. A lot of people come in at the 500 level just to get their feet wet. Then they upgrade from there. Okay. But guys, this is a beautiful system as well here, and this is another way that I wanted to share with you that you can generate anywhere between $250 to $500 a day here. Now, as you can see here, the group here is the community as well. These are people, you know, they're showing proof, they're welcoming people onto the team. Guys, I've shot in some previous videos about me bringing in. This is a person that made $1,000. Literally $1,000, guys. What would $1,000 do for you? Okay, so that's some good money there. Okay, this is a person that's made a total of 23 grand, 23,000 with the company. Might just welcome somebody to the group. You can see here we help people out. Thinking of mindset. So it's all about a team, guys. Everyone's about helping each other make money. At the end of the day, it's literally about you being on the top, being successful here. So as you can see here, guys, this guy said he needed some help, and then people start helping him out, you know, reaching out to him. So guys, it's about being a part of a good team, being somewhere where people are going to help you here. See, this is where we're starting to post. The leaders are going to help out and reach out to people. Guys, it's about being positioned. So everything that I say that I wanted to help you out with or put you in front of is going to be pretty much be something that is going to show you how to literally make money. This is me welcoming someone on the 2nd of February. Okay, so this is pretty much going to show you how to make money and do it as a newbie. No, it's not going to be, you know, hard. It's just different. But we're going to show you how to do this, okay? So even a new, this is why I say I want to do things newbie friendly. That's going to show you how to make money. So it's not about, you know, selling the best lotions and potions. This is about, you know, putting your product out there. We're going to show you how to do this through video. We're going to show you how to do this through SMS. We're going to show you how to do this through Facebook and YouTube videos. So that way you can generate leads and traffic into your business as well. Okay, you just gotta be a part of the right program, okay, and a right culture. So once you're a part of this, you will have access to these Facebook groups. I will welcome you to the team as well, so that way I can see you on the next level of success also. So guys, this is a beautiful day. This is a beautiful day to join the business. These are instant commissions, guys. Once you're in, you've gotten reseller rights. So if you're serious about making money online, this is something that you definitely want to do. You want to jump into these systems automatically, okay? So on the next video, I'm just going to kind of show you a lot of where I get the traffic from. And then that way you guys could actually jump into this and utilize the traffic strategies that I am suggesting. So this is your boy Jay. Have a beautiful and blessed day. And until the next video, peace.